Hello guys, welcome to Miniature GT. Today I have a Hot Wheels 5-pack Mud Studs 2024. Friends, we are going to unbox it. Let's open it. We have 5 cars which are Baja Bone Shaker, Blade Raider, Chevy Silverado Off-Road, Sandblaster, and Terrain Storm. Begin with Baja Bone Shaker. It comes with a retro style design with big off-road tires. Nice chrome exhaust manifold and exhaust pipes. Skull and Bone Shaker decals on the doors. From top side, chrome intake and chrome skull at the front of car. Spare tire at the back, made from plastic but detailed. I love the color of the car. At the front, you can see the nicely detailed chrome skull with chrome headlights. Also you can see intake manifold, brown color protector. Tires are so big. At the back, big air diffuser-like design and spare tire at the back. Off-roader comes with brown metal base with metal greenish body. So, guys, do you like this car? Comment below and stay tuned for next car Blade Runner. Please don't forget to subscribe and hit like button.